welcome back to the Scott County Public Library here in Georgetown, Kentucky. And today, Miss Mary Lou and I are going to teach you how to harness the power of the sun.
Ooh.
Yeah, so we're gonna make some solar ovens today. And you're going to need a pizza box. I would suggest, you know, maybe a clean pizza box. See if you can scrounge one of them up. Be real nice to your pizza person and maybe they'll give you one. You're going to need some black paper. You're going to need some tape, some tin foil, some saran wrap. I said tape. I also have my fancy tape over here in case you won't get real fancy with it. Some scissors, if I didn't say it, a razor, and a bamboo skewer or chopstick. Some sort of propping stick device. A stick. If you want to go buy a stick. Grab a stick out of nature.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's get real natural with it. All right. So to start, you are going to open your pizza box. You're going to line the inside of the bottom, just the bottom, you don't need to do the top, with black paper.
And why do you put black paper in there, Kelly?
Well, so this isn't technically necessary, but it really helps absorb the heat.
Mm-hmm. Dark colors absorb heat.
Yes.
Light colors bounce it off. They reflect it. This absorbs it.
Yes, so this will help it get extra hot.
Yes.
And the next part you need to do, you need to take, with adult supervision, please, take a razor blade and you're going to cut the top like such so that it, whoop, I can get it, pops up like this. So I'm gonna, let's shut that. And so you can see what it looks like.
There you go.
So this is gonna pop up. But now we need to reopen it because we are gonna work on the inside. On the top here, we want to cover this little flappy bit that opens with tin foil. Tin foil. I'm going to give you this.
I love being a surgical assistant.
All right. I think that's... You want it a little bit bigger because it helps to wrap it around the outside. So let's see if I can make this a good cut. I'm dubious. That shouldn't have been so difficult.
Is this like heavy duty foil? No,
oh yeah, no, heavy duty aluminum foil.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay.
Okay.
Well, you don't have to use heavy duty if that's not what you have, but that's what I grabbed out of the craft room.
Dr. Brestwick, I'm going to feel a lot better if we put this blade inside while it's near your elbow to the hand.
That's fine. It does have a protective cover on it.
Oh, okay, that makes me feel better. Your elbow was just really near it.
Yeah. No, protective cover. I didn't actually take it off. That was fake movie magic. I had pre-cut this box.
Yes.
So I'm going to tape it down about here just to make sure that we've got it covered. Alright, I think that's good for there. Tape it. So we've got that taped down. Now the slightly difficult part. You're gonna pop your thing in. And you want to... I'm gonna take my scissors here. Ooh, they're sticky. That's a problem. And snip the edges. You could probably also tear, but I don't trust myself. Just enough so that you can then wrap the edges around the top of your flap. This was a very large piece of tin foil. My bad. I did not mean to waste it.
Better too big than too small.
Yeah, that's true. Because you want to make sure this is completely covered with tin foil.
Do you want more tape? Are you good?
Oh yeah, no, because that popped up when we folded it down. Oops. Let's get that little tidbit off. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Is that it?
All right, I think that's good. And we can make sure we did that right, and I was not folding that pizza box correctly. Let's pop it this way. Come on. You can do it, pizza box. All right, so now let's put a little bit of tape on the top there to keep that from happening again. Whoop, sorry.
It's all right. I didn't need that skin.
I think one more piece here and we are good. Yes.
You can become the man with the red hand.
Yeah.
I just finished reading Skullduggery Pleasant, which I'm going to talk to you all about next week. And there's this villain.
So good.
He has no skin on his hand. It is disgusting.
That's right. I forgot. All I remembered is just that it's so good. All right. We're very close. We need saran wrap. All right. So we're going to do approximately the same thing, except we want to make sure that the saran wrap covers all of this. We don't want holes. Boing, boing. Yes. So let's see what we can do here. And when you make your cut, you might want to take into account how big your saran wrap is. I did not do that here. Let's see what we can do though. We might need to double wrap. Is it too...
It's going to be awfully close. You may have to put multiple.
Oh, okay.
Is it big enough?
Yeah, we'll be okay. It just needs to not stick to itself. So that's going to be difficult.
How long do you want it?
That'll be good. Just we'll tape it to the tin foil. Oh dear. Let's take the scissor. Oh, you got it.
There you go.
Woo! All right, we're gonna lay that flat and tape. Let's tape it literally all the way around, so that there are no gaps. Mind the gap, as they say in England.
We're going to run out of tape here.
Okay, that's fine. I have extra. This just isn't clear.
Okay. Yeah.
So we're going to make it multicolored.
Let's check how much tape we have.
Well, why would you?
Well, I don't know.
I mean, that would...
Obviously, it would have been a good idea.
Well, you know, you live and you learn. Alright, just look at that. I'm going to pull it nice and tight. You need some tape?
I don't have any more.
There you go. Oh, I made that funky. Come on.
This is what we're using now is painter tape.
Yeah, but pretty fun colory painter's tape.
Pretty colors.
Ooh, that's pretty long. For some blue. We'll make it patriotic, yeah?
So we're using saran wrap because a solar oven works a lot like a greenhouse.
Yes.
So the black paper is going to absorb the sunlight and it's going to really warm things up inside, and the saran wrap is going to keep the heat inside, just like happens in a greenhouse.
Okay, well, I have an extra piece of tape. That's okay, we're going to use that for the next part. Let's see. Oh, yeah.
Can you see that it's, you know,
whee!
Yeah, saran wrap.
All right. So, we are almost complete. Oh, get in there. All right. We've made our inside of the box black. We've saran wrapped the top here, which is what the sun is going to reflect off of into the oven. But now we gotta make sure that this stays up so that it can actually catch the sun. So let's get a bamboo skewer here. We have an entire box of these. You know, why not? This might be too tall, in which case we can we'll tape it. We'll make it work. I'll put the pointy end down there. Does that make you?
So what do you want me to do here?
Is that good, or should we angle it down a little more?
I think it's good. Well, I don't know.
Because we want it to reflect.
This would be a worthy experiment to see.
That's true. What angle?
What's the best angle, and you can experiment with that and see which works best.
Right.
But for the purposes of our demonstration, we're going to have it pretty wide open.
Right.
You may need to angle it down a little bit more so that the sun hits that and bounces down that way.
Yeah. So we're gonna tape that there, and that should work. If it's not angle, you can put a little piece of tape there. If you do need to do that, I'd use your clear tape to maximize your tinfoil surface area there.
Yes.
So
what would you cook in this oven?
Well, the number one thing I do is marshmallows, because you put your graham cracker in there, you put a marshmallow on top, and you just let it get nice and melty,
You put the chocolate in there too?
I mean, it depends on how melty you like your chocolate.
Yeah.
Some people really want it to be melty. I prefer mine a little cold. It's a nice contrast.
Does it make your marshmallow turn brown?
No.
Oh.
No, it just
gets melty.
It just gets melty, I think.
Okay.
But yeah, you
can
also
always get a flamethrower. You know, like a flame torch.
Oh, wow! Parental supervision. Parental supervision. Mary Lou and I did not tell you to get a flamethrower and torch your marshmallows.
Yes, we did.
No, we didn't.
No, we didn't. Just kidding.
You can also do cookie dough, and if you get the pre-made stuff that says it's safe to eat raw, well, if your cookie doesn't cook all the way,
no big deal.
No big deal.
Yeah.
But remember, don't eat raw cookie dough unless it specifically says you could get cold sick. But yeah, harness the power of the sun.
Yes.
See what you can do. It's been a little rainy recently, but get a nice.
There's been a few hours of sunshine every day.
Yeah, get some nice sun. Stick this in there.
Now, if kids are a little bit confused about how to do this, can they come in and look at your sample?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, and
So
we've got two samples.
Kelly will
just show you.
Yeah. All right, either one of us.
Yeah, we got this. Yeah, for sure. So that's how you harness the power of the sun with a solar oven.
Yay!
It's super easy. It's real fun. You could also just use a box. A pizza box just works real well because you can open it real easy, put your food in,
and it's not real
shut.
Deep. It's a shallow box, which is nice too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, let us know what you make.
Yeah, we want to hear about it.
If it was terrible or if it tasted delicious, Yeah. But summer reading's not quite over. Stop in. We want to see you. And next week we will be back for our final summer reading book bites. Paperback book day.
Yes.
I can talk. Yeah. But we will see you then. Bye guys.